What's up guys, Matthew here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some more lures I got from Bass Pro Shops. Before I do that, I'd like to tell you that now I have a GoPro, so now my videos could be actually more in depth and actually see me fishing instead of always having to start the video when I catch the fish, put this camera underwater, do some good shots. So, very happy about that. I think this is the black edition. Yeah. Alright, so now let's get into the unboxing. Got this today. I did have to open it just to make sure I have everything because I ordered a lot of stuff. This is about $80 worth of things. Alright. And let's get into it. So first, what we got, some spider wire braid, 15 pounds. Because, I don't have braid, but now I do. So that's good. Next, just normal Texas rig hooks, Magnum Super Lock worm hooks, 3/0 favorites. Next, we got a Bass Pro Shop XPS laser eye. I'm not sure what you'd call this lure, but I kind of wanted to try them out, especially when it's starting to get colder outside. So, pretty cool. I think it's about 4.5 inches. Yep, about 4.5. Sweet. Next, we got another Bass Pro Shops laser eye. It's a little crankbait. Pretty cool. Really small. Got it in a shad color. Really represents a shad, which I really want because, that's the best thing ever. Okay. What else do we got? Is that it? No, hold on. Alright. Next we got some Zoom. I'm trying out new soft plastics. Some Zoom Super Mag 2. Whatever, I don't know what you'd call these, but they're big. Get one out of the bag for y'all. Go. Looks like it's about 9 inches. Not sure how this is gonna work when I go fishing. Well, I know how to do it, but not sure how the bass are gonna respond to it. No, just try new things. It's part of fishing. Just gotta try things. Alright. Next we got, I'm excited for these ones, Havoc, I think it's called Smash Tube. Yep, Smash Tube. Comes with 6, salted, really salty. Get a little mess. We got Texas rig these. I'm going to use them for maybe when the ice melts, because right now it's getting pretty cold out. So anyway, sorry for that little thing. Anyway, 6 inch, or no, not 6 inch, 4 inch, 10 centimeter. Pretty cool. Got them in green pumpkin. Gonna be using these during winter because I heard they're really good. And yeah, let's go to the next one. Next we got KVD Perfect Plastic finesse worms. Pretty excited about this. It's got a coffee smelt to it. I think they're kind of salted. They don't look that solid. But why I had these besides finesse worms is because kind of have like a weird little slit in the tail, so I think that flutters down a little better. I don't know, just trying new things. Like I said, if they don't work, well then that just sucks. It's a waste of money, but who knows? They might be really well. And next, some Havoc Beat Shad. Comes with 8, 4 inches. Yeah, I'll get one out. These ones are a little weird. Some of you might just use these all the time and just kind of look at them like they're nothing, but these are kind of weird to me. It's like a ribbed worm with a boot tail. Not really sure how you'd use this. Most likely, knowing me, I'm just probably going to Texas rig it. Yeah. Not sure how. Like, Not sure if it's like a little swim bait. It has a boot tail, so that moves in the water. But yeah, I'm not really sure. They're salted. I don't think they really have a scent. So that's that. There's 8 of them. Alright, oh crap, hold on. Alright. The next little thing we have is, oh crap. Oh no. No. Almost. Nope. Okay. Sorry about that. Next. You know, if you watch my videos, you know probably what I got. I'll give you a second to think. Zoom finesse worms, as always. You know why I get Zoom finesse worms all the time? Because they're amazing. They're awesome. I love them. Every time I fish with them, I catch something, no matter what. Well, except maybe now, because it's getting cold. And bass are starting to bite weird things now. But, yep. This is in a plum color. And, yeah, so now I have 3 bags of Zoom finesse worms, which is pretty sweet. Alright, what do we got next? Ooh, yes. This one's pretty cool. I've been waiting for this one for a while. Alright. I got a Yum umbrella rig. Oh my. No. That's not good. There we go. Yep, here we are. They give you little jig heads and little boot tail minnows, which I guess is okay. But I'm probably going to put some Bass Pro Shop Boss Shads. I have 2 types of them. I have the 4-inch, or I mean the 3-inch, and then I got 2 inches. So I'm going to probably put the 2 inches on this one. Going to be really cool for trolling, because I really never catch much when I troll, but now I think I have a better chance. So this, sweet. And yep, that about wraps it up. So let's see what these look like in the water.